Hey everyone! In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to create a full website on Hostinger in 2026. Whether you're building something simple or a full business site, this will walk you through everything from sign up to publish. So let's get started. First, pick a hosting plan. Hostinger has a few options, but the basic website plan is usually enough if you're just getting started. You can always upgrade later, so don't stress about it. Next, create your Hostinger account. Just use your email and a password or sign in with Google if that's easier. This is what gets you into hPanel, where all your website tools live. Now pick your domain name. You can either register a new one right here, or if you already own a domain somewhere else, you can connect it later through DNS. Just choose whatever fits your setup. After purchase, Hostinger will open the setup wizard. Click the option to create a new website. This launches the builder tools automatically and guides you through templates and features. You'll be asked what kind of website you want, like a portfolio, store, blog, whatever. Then choose your builder. Hostinger's drag and drop builder is super quick, but yeah, you can choose WordPress if you prefer full control. Now select a template. Hostinger has a ton of modern, clean designs. Just pick one that fits your style. You can change colors, fonts, and sections later, so don't overthink it. In the builder, start editing your pages, click any text to replace it, drag sections around, add images, or drop in new blocks. It's all visual. No coding unless you want to. When everything looks good, hit publish. If your domain wasn't connected earlier, Hostinger will show you the DNS steps right away. After that, your site goes live in a few minutes, and that's it. You just created a full Hostinger website from scratch. Feel free to tweak your layout anytime. The builder lets you change things without messing anything up. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have fun building.